Hi, I'm Jeff Haynes, editor at TechBargains, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the Lenovo IdeaCentre B305 All-In-One multimedia desktop. There's some systems that promise you portability and some that promise you functionality, but the B305 tries to merge all of them into a compact, easy to afford package that it can be taken anywhere in the house. Let's open it up. So, the very first thing, of course, that you run into are product manuals and information. Over here is your standardized keyboard, which is interesting and intriguing that they decided to include your basic keyboard for a system that touts natural touch functionality and touchscreens. But if you happen to be tied to the concept of keyboard inputs, you have one included. On the other side is a lot of the other components that you would find for the computer itself. You have a remote control, which by itself controls volume, playback, and other functionality. Your power cord and power brick. On this side, you have an IR receiver, and that's actually going to work for the remote control itself. So you can set it up anywhere within the room, on a desk, on a countertop, and basically point your remote control at it and get control of the all-in-one desktop there. And finally, a Lenovo branded mouse. So again, if you happen to be tied to the keyboard mouse input for any computer, you have a way of basically directing and impacting the device itself. And then the true meat of the box, the all-in-one system. So this is the system. As you can see, very, very compact, very easy to pick up and move from one place in the house to the other. So if you happen to be, taking it into the kitchen because you want to watch a video on how to cook a specific recipe, you can set it up there. Or if you happen to have it in a home office and you're doing a webcam conference or presentation, and then you decide to take it into the living room, it's really easy to pick up and put down without messing around with a lot of wires or worrying about how bulky or hefty it happens to be. A majority of the ports for the B305 happen to be arrayed on the back and on the sides. As you can see right here, the DVD drive is recessed into the body of the system itself. So it's really, really easy to push in, push out, and access. On the back of the system, of the IdeaCentre, is a majority of the ports that you'll connect to. So on this side, you've got your power cable, or the power input. You have access for the keyboard, so you can immediately plug it in. Firewire port, so if you happen to have any drives that take Firewire, you can instantly connect in and run those drives off the system. A wired Ethernet port, an optional TV tuner. Now this is one of the things that's kind of part of the hybridization of the B305 between a desktop and a laptop, because not every laptop will have a TV tuner that you can instantly plug in and run your multimedia or your TV off the system itself. But the B305 allows you to do it. And then 4 USB ports on this side. It's kind of interesting because the B305 actually has a combined total of 6 USB ports that all support USB 2.0 on the system itself. On the right side, you can see that there are 2 more USB ports, as well as your mic and your headset port, and finally, a 6-in-1 card reader, so you can read SD, mini, and micro SD card slot. So that's our quick unboxing look at the IdeaCentre B305 from Lenovo. But if you want more on the B305, be sure to check out our video review of the system coming soon. And for more gadgets and technology reviews, be sure to check out techbargains.com.